Hey there, little ones. Are you ready for a whale of a tale? Well, you see, our story begins in a world more colorful than you could ever imagine. Picture an ocean that shimmers like a rainbow.
Thank you. Sometimes the smallest act of kindness can make the biggest splash.
Meet Jonah, a young prophet with a heart as big as the sea. His curly hair bounces as he swims, surrounded by fish that glow like tiny underwater stars.
Finley, where are you hiding today? Behind the polka dot plant or the striped seashells?
Jonah, go to Nineveh and share my message. The city needs your help.
But God, Nineveh is so big and scary. I'm just a small prophet. What if they don't listen to me? Maybe if I leave, God will find someone else. Someone braver, someone bigger.
Blub, blub, blub.
Little did Jonah know he was about to embark on the most colorful adventure of his life. But would he choose to follow God's plan or try to swim away from his destiny? Hold on tight, little ones, because this story is about to make a big splash.
Sorry, God, but I'm just not ready for Nineveh. Maybe this ship will take me somewhere. Less scary.
Ahoy, stowaway! Are you a wandering rainbow or a lost sunbeam?
Oh, I'm on a very important trip. Very important indeed.
Batten down the hatches, me hearties. This storm's not natural.
Whoa, oops, oh no, It's my fault, I disobeyed God. I ran away instead of going to Nineveh like he asked.
Whoa! Hey, oops, I'm not supposed to be here! Glub, 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 I'm sorry, God.
Man overboard, quick, throw him a line!
Is that a whale? I'm so sorry, God. I should have listened. I was scared, but I should have trusted you. Please forgive me, Lord. I promise to do your will from now on.
Well, well, what have we here? A little prophet who's lost his way? Don't worry, Jonah. Sometimes we all need a little time to reflect. Don't be scared, little one. I'm Glow, and I'm here to help. Now, why are you swimming away from your purpose?
I was scared, Glow. Nineveh is so big and I'm so small. What if I fail?
Look closely, Jonah. Every big city is made up of small individual lights, just like these fish. You might be small, but your light can make a big difference.
I never thought of it that way before.
Remember, Jonah, being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means doing what's right even when you are scared.
You're right, Glow. I need to trust in God and do what he's asked me to do.
Hold on tight, Jonah. We're going to make the biggest, most colorful splash ever.
Wow, it's like swimming through a giant jar of glitter. People of Nineveh, God has sent me with an important message. He wants us all to be kind and love one another. Thank you, God, for giving me courage and for never giving up on me, or Nineveh.
And that's our colorful tale. Remember, little ones, when God asks you to do something, be brave and trust Him. He's got a whale of a plan for you.